Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jessica Francis vlog. Hey guys, so today we are here in CitiClub Fitness, or we call it CitiClub Gym, and today we are not going to eat or anything that related to mukbang or whatsoever that related to food. So today I'm gonna show you guys about this gym. So it is still in season offer, so the price is very cheap. It's only 106 ringgit Malaysia, and for 2 months. So to me it is quite cheap, and we'll see you more after this. Before she takes got a taxi fare. The fanny's in the chasing, and the fanny's what I'm having. For you it's so fun. Hot springs and Coca-Cola. In your winter pussy. So this side is for the dumbbell side, where people love to carry heavy things to build up their muscle, especially on the hand side and the chest side. Yep, normally those guys will look hot when they have muscle on their body. No, I'm kidding. So actually it is. So yep, and this is the place where I call a monkey jumping. I give it a name. And yep, this is it. I still cannot use these things because I'm still heavy with my weight. And yep, this is the place, like only certain people know. I don't know the name, still forgot. So guys, here is the place also where I often do a push-up and then jogging, and then there's a few machine more, like cycling machine. I don't know the real name, but yep, this is it. And that is me. So yep, there's a view behind this window, or like, yeah, a window. There's a road where car will pass by, and yep, this is it. Yep, this is me. So guys, ignore the fat that I got on my belly and on my, I don't know, butt, hands. Fats are everywhere, but this is before me, and now I'm getting slim a bit than this. That is it, because this video was taken around a few weeks ago, and yep, there's already change in few parts of my body, I guess. So here is the hardest things to do, where I have to balance myself and do these things, and it's really stressed me out. So this machine, I forgot the name. It helps you to build up a muscle on your leg side, okay, on your hips. That's what I mean. And yep, including these things, it builds up a muscle on your leg side, especially near the yes, near the legs. So now I am playing with these things with a weight of 20 kg, and it is very painful a bit and quite heavy and tough for me, since this is my fourth time playing these things and it is tired, very tiring. Yep. So on this part, just now I am using 20 kg of weight, and now I increase the weight into a 40 kg. Yep, so the pressure of 40 kg is quite heavy, which cause my leg feel more tired, because that thing is really heavy for a girl to carry 40 kg weight, especially on the leg side. Yep, and the muscles start building. Yep, so I know you guys will laugh at me, Jess, what are you doing? So this is the cycling machine. I call it cycling because it's look like a bicycle, and I continue cycling for 30 minutes. Standard for me. It burns around 260 calories for 20 minutes cycling, and it's worth it. Ignore my butt. So guys, this is the machine of gym where you can build up your muscle instead of using a dumbbell. And yep, I'm using 20 kg of weight. Yep, same level with 20 kg of dumbbell, but this is way more easier to me. So this is also part of the things that can help you to build up a muscle on your chest and on your hand. Yep, a muscle on your hand. So yep, this is me working hard. These things look weird to me, but yep, it's also help to build a muscle, especially on the hand side and on the chest side. And yep, there is me with my fat. Yow, that serious face. I don't know whether if I'm doing it in a correct way, but I saw some of the brother or some of the people who came to the gym, they do the same, so I just follow their step. Yep, weird. So the most important things is, and the must things that I need to do every time I come to gym is these things, because these things, I don't know what they call it, it helps to burn the fat on the belly. And here is the dumbbell. Yep, but this is 5 kg weight on the left hand side and 5 kg weight on the right hand side. So yep, so I'm trying to burn out the calorie and also burn out that fat that I got on my hand side. Again, cycling, it burns around 100 calories for 15 minutes. It is worth it. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and click that bell button so that it will notify you with the next video. Bye, and thank you for watching.